Hello guys, in this video we are going to create a roll-up summary field from the unit implement a roll-up summary fields. Let's quickly jump into our Trailhead playground and find our object manager. Let's go to our object account and then fields and relationships. Click on new field. Here we are going to select roll-up summary and click on next. Let's copy paste our field label, potential value, and go for next. So here the summarized object is going to be opportunities. So let's select that. And the roll-up type is the sum, as it's the total expected revenue. We are going to use sum, and the field to aggregate is going to be expected revenue, and click on next and save it.